Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel, and this is another edition of the Rover Auction Review series. My name is Troy, and we do this little series every once in a while of interesting Rovers that are at dealers' auctions that you are able to either bid or purchase via our dealership. So if you're interested, let me know, shoot me an email, find me on Instagram. We've got a new channel that I broadcast out these interesting auction finds on a daily basis. So check it out, Addicted Motors, and I can get you into the Rolodex. But what we got here, the Holy Grail, right? The 2012, can't believe I'm talking about these again. 2012 Range Rover L322 .3 5.0 Supercharged. The big one, right? It's in the, finished in black, sure. But that's not why I found this one interesting. I found this one interesting because it's 399,000 miles. Pretty cheap. I think you got to buy it now around $6,300 or something like that. So you're probably all in with shipping and fees and all that for around 75, 8, or I'm not sure how it all rolls up because all these fees really add up. But it seems to be in pretty good condition. There's no mechanical things noted, which doesn't mean it. I mean, I would always account for potentially doing timing chains and front control arms at the minimum, and obviously a bunch of various other bushings and alignment and whatnot, but it says it has pretty good tires. They're all have about the same tread wear, and it's clean, right? It's got the nicer wheels. It's kind of like the autobiography looking wheels. It's black, which is fine. It's got clear headlights. It's in Houston. Looks like it's probably garage kept, at least at some point. No major bangs or things that might indicate significant damage. Again, an accident is not always the worst thing if things have been fixed properly, but also no rust noted. But this is why I really ended up doing this review, because it has that caramel interior, which I really like, because most of these black trucks either have black interiors that I like or white interiors that I don't like. And this kind of caramel warm interior keeps things just a little more interesting, keeps things looking a little more modern. I really like the contrast with the gauges and whatnot, kind of black on caramel. And silver all looks kind of good, fairly modern, and it's got the Lux steering wheel and whatnot too. A little bit of wear here and there, no check engine light. See how it's 2 degrees Celsius on the temperature monitor there? So assuming the battery's probably been dead at some point. Also a lot of tire shine in the engine bay. I don't know, maybe this thing was tried to be retailed for a while, so that's a little concerning, I guess, but it does have orange coolant, so that's good news. What else? A little bits of stains on the headliner, a little bumper bump. Again, that's pretty common. There's a couple stars in the windshield. Expensive windshields would be replaced. People often repair them. And that's really about it. Like, it seems like a pretty solid deal. Like, if I was in the market for one, I'd probably roll the dice on this, knowing that I'd be probably $12,000 all in with repairs and updates and deferred maintenance, which is still a pretty good deal for a 500 horsepower, interesting SUV that, is way below $200,000 for a new one. In comparison, it's hilarious what that price gap looks like. So I think this is probably going to be it for this discussion. Again, hit me up on Instagram, YouTube, email, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.